Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to practice a word problem. Suzuki-sensei has a Zen garden in Okinawa. The perimeter of the garden is 56 meters. 56 meters, that tells us the all around the distance is 56. Did you remember how to find the perimeter of a rectangle? We're going to add 2 length and 2 times width equals perimeter. Now we know the perimeter is 56. We're going to put a 56 here. But we don't know the length or width. That's our job. We need to find it. But we do know the length to width is 6:1. Therefore, if we use cross product, we can see easily length equals 6 times of width. Okay? All right. Now, we can use this information to rewrite 2 times length plus 2 times width equals perimeter. We can say 2 times length is 6 times W, so 2 times 6 times W plus 2W equals 56. The reason we're doing this so that we can solve for one variable, we have 12W plus 2W equals 56. We have 14W equals 56. We need to divide by 14 each side. We have W is 4. And it says meters, so 4 meters. Now we're going to come here to find the length. If W is 4 meters, which means length is 6 times 4, is 24 meters. Now we got it. 1 is 24, 1 is 4 meters. Of course, the diagram is not drawn to scale. Happy learning!